Welcome everyone, this is Irvin here, aka Team with Irvin. Today is April 19, 2020, making today a Sunday. Today we're gonna go ahead and analyze the full week of April 20 to the 24, where we're gonna analyze about 11 to 12 different pair. And if also I just want to let you know, we are gonna come back on Wednesday at 6 p.m. and we're gonna review this with you again. So I'm here. If you want to drop comment, please do so, because I'm going to be reading and trying to answer all of your questions. I just want to give you also the Forex disclaimer. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader looking to squeeze hundreds and hundreds of what? And hundreds of what? And hundreds of pips. That's why we're all here, guys. And thank you for all those that are taking my 101. You guys are killing it, so thank you. And just to give you a quick review of the Forex hours, please download this one, guys. It's very important. You will be amazed of the information you're gonna get in it. And also you need to download my FX book. It's super important as well. So if you have not done that, please do so. It's gonna tell you whatever the news are coming for the week of April 20 to the 24. And here's some of the review, the one-on-ones that I do with you guys. Thank you so much for supporting the channel and giving me the opportunity to teach you how to make those hundreds and hundreds of what? And hundreds of pips. Right. So now, like I say, you know, this is for the week of April 20 to the 24 of April. So this is the full analysis. We are coming back on Wednesday at 6 p.m. Eastern time, where we're going to be reviewing everything that we are going to be talking today. Please, if you're going to ask me questions, try to ask me questions based on the pairs they are going to be analyzing today. I already dropped the Saturday video, the one that I made yesterday. If you have not checked that video, please do so. I will put the link in the description of this channel so you can take a look at it. It's pretty amazing, pretty neat. But just make sure that you subscribe to our channel, right? So all you gotta do is hit the bell notification in there so you will know when we post video. Anyway, all this is free to you. The only way you can get all the full week is only if you subscribe. That's what I always tell every time. Make sure you do that, all right? All right, moving on. So hopefully that clears it up. So like I said, you know, this is for the week of April 20 to the 24. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start with GBPJPY. We're gonna start with 4 hours, guys. This is, hopefully this makes sense to you. Look at, I always say, guys, look, 4 hours is one of my best time frame that I use. This is one that I make hundreds and hundreds of pips. So look at the time frame that I'm using here. I'm clearly using a 4 hours time frame. Pay attention what the triple arrow is doing. Triple arrow is giving us a bullish market. Exactly, it's giving us a bullish market, right? It's giving us a buy. So the market right now is giving us, again, see that? Clearly, triple arrow up, market goes up. Now, look at here. I'm looking for a small reversal of the triple arrow. A lot of people say, Irvin, what are you talking about, reversal and triple arrow? Well, that's a secret I have. If you want to find out, send me a message. My description on my Telegram is below. I can teach you how to trade those reversal. I can teach you how not to trade those reversal, because that is the secret where you need to stop trading that, because 4 hours can also blow your account if you don't know what you're doing. But you make the decision. I'm just another trader trying to help you make hundreds and hundreds and what? And hundreds of pips. That's what I'm here for. So it's just something that I really love to do. But what I'm expecting to see this week of April 20 to the 24, I'm expecting to see a small pullback, retesting mid 78.6 Fibonacci line. From that point on, it's gonna do a small pullback, retesting our 61 Fibonacci line. Then the market will take as bullish as what it is. Market is bullish, and that's what I'm expecting to see. Please come back on Wednesday, 6 p.m. Eastern time, where we're going to be reviewing this Forex analysis with you. So, Team with Irvin is the secret here, all right? So, let's go ahead and move on to our next one. Oh, look at that. I put it as first one. It's supposed to be at the last. All right, let's go to GBP and USD. Look at the time frame that I'm using here. Let me do this real quick. Boom, boom, boom. Let me bring this out. You know what, guys? Let me do this here. Hold on. All right, so let me put this here so it will not be on your way, because sometimes things can get on your way, right? So, well, you know what? What did I do here? What did I do here? But we're gonna fix it. Don't worry. Don't worry. There's nothing wrong with it. All right, so cool. All right, so pay attention the time frame that I'm using here. I'm clearly giving you what? I'm giving you 4 hours again. Look at, pay attention what GBPUSD is here. It's clearly, look at what the triple arrow is doing. Triple arrow is giving us a buy position. That's what it's doing. I don't see anything. Look at here, guys. It's clearly telling you the market is giving us a triple arrow going where? Equal a buy market. That's what it's doing. Then, what do you see? You see a small, I always say, oh, small what? You're looking for a small what? A small pullback. Irving, what are you talking about pullback? Well, that's something that I know. You want to find out, send me a private message. I will teach you how to trade all this stuff, and this will change your career for life. And let me give you guys a heads up, guys. We are working on the new triple arrow system. You will be blown. So if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so. And also, if you are planning to grab our triple arrow system, please do so, because we are gonna be giving you the new update of the triple arrow for free. So it's coming. It's still doing some tweak in the back, so it's almost ready, but you will be amazed, guys. So make sure that if you have not grabbed our triple arrow link, you will get that as soon as we have it fully ready. So make sure you hit that. All right. All right, let's move on. Let's move on and see. On this particular one, we're looking for a small pullback retesting our mid 52 R38 Fibonacci. Then the market will take back as bullish. So that is my analysis for this pair here. The next pair that I have here for you guys is the AUDUSD. Same thing. I'm looking for a small pullback retesting our triple arrow system. Right, so that's what I'm seeing for this week, for the week of April 20 to the 24. So I'm looking for a small pullback retesting our 61 Fibonacci line. From that point on, the market will hit back to bullish market. Any question, guys? Do you have any question? If you do, make sure you let me know, because that is the only way that I can help you. Look at here. I'm gonna ask you here one more time. If you have any comment, please drop it below. I'm here with you. I can answer anything that any doubt that you may have. As well, all I'm asking in favor is, guys, give me a thumbs up, support the channel, so we're gonna keep increasing and helping you, become financial free one way or another. All right. So all this, remember, all the videos that I do here are for educational purpose. They're not signals. We do have a signal program in our chat room, so you can join that if you want, but all I do in private is 101, where I teach you how you become a signal. I make you a signal. I make you a sniper, how to trade triple arrow from miles and miles and miles away, and you will know the answer in seconds versus others that will tell you what you want to know in half an hour. So that is my job. So moving on. So what we have here on GBPNZD, we had triple arrow giving us a bullish market. So what I'm expecting to see this coming week of April 20 to the 24, we're looking for a small retracement, retesting our mid 38 to R23 Fibonacci. From that point on, the market will continue where? Bullish. That's what I'm talking about. Let me drink some of my wine, which is my water, right? Because I love to talk, right? I love to explain with details. So hopefully all this makes sense, guys. Please come on Wednesday, where we're gonna go over all this and we're gonna wrestle this together. So thank you guys for joining. Make sure you subscribe to Team with Irvin. Share with this video with other social media if you want. But hell, like, you know, let's grow, let's grow, let's grow. Let's change the world one way or another. All right, look at the next one. We have the USD Canadian dollar. Pay attention what I have here. There, guys, just like I said earlier, there will be a lot of pullback this week. A lot of pullback. Look at this, guy. Let me give you a secret here, or kind of like the way how I teach my stuff behind scene if you book the one-on-one. Look at here. There is a secret where you need to stop. Like I said, this is a triple arrow pullback, right? So the market seems like, oh, it's faking everyone. Oh yeah, the market is coming bullish, and then bam, it hit that 38.2 Fibonacci, and all suddenly, look at this. Look who's coming down. All suddenly, bam, it hit back. Why do you think it's doing that? Because it has a freaking pullback system here. So it's doing a pullback, and then the market is going to come back and retest our 61 to our 50 Fibonacci line. Then the market will continue down. That's all it is. That's all it is. It's a thing that I put together behind scene where I'm going to be teaching you how to do all this stuff. But it's only if you want to help yourself. You don't want to help yourself. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm here at my office hanging out. You know, it's just a one thing. You want to improve your skills, you need to have someone to be on your side. So if you want me to teach you, just let me know. My private Telegram link is below. Pay attention to NZDUSD. Look at the time frame that I'm using. I'm clearly using 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame is saying the market is gonna give us a bullish market. Look at here. Market gave us what? A bullish market. It went up. Look at now what the market is giving us, guy. What do you think the market is doing here? What do you think, guys? What do you think? It's giving us another pullback position. Do you agree with me? This is a triple arrow. This is a triple arrow. Oops. A triple arrow. Let's do AW. A triple arrow pullback. Like I said, look at what it's doing here. Oh, suddenly, supposed to be coming down, right? Pay attention. Look at that. Let me grab that 2 here. Look, pay attention here. Supposed to come down, but all suddenly, bam, it's going back up. Why do you think it's going back up? Now it's going to retest our 61 Fibonacci line. Then it's going to do a small pullback, faking everyone again, retesting our 50 or 38 Fibonacci line. Then the market will continue up. You see this? If you don't know how to do this, oh my goodness, you will blow your account. But there's a lot of pullback this week. A lot. A lot. And I want to give a shout out to Mr. Gary. Mr. Gary has shown me a different strategy that he using. A freaking amazing. It has blown my mind how you guys sometimes come up with things. But I mean, all the secrets behind scene. I'm giving you, you know, how I do my analysis in YouTube. Now, if you want to grab the triple arrow, the description is below. I will be giving you $20 cash back. All right, so if you subscribe, but that's up to you. You want to do it, fine. If not, it's still fine. It's still fine, man. All right, let's move on. Let's go to CHFJPY. Pay attention on this particular pair. What are we doing here? We're doing what? We're doing a pullback continuation. Not a pullback. Take that back. Pay attention what the triple arrow is doing. Triple arrow is giving us what? It's giving us a bearish market. That's exactly what it's doing. Now, what I'm expecting to see this week is, you know what, guys? Let me correct this. I think my analysis on this one is wrong. Let me take that back. Let me delete this. So what I'm expecting to see here is a small, probably 1 or 2 more candles retesting our 61 to our 78 Fibonacci line. From there, the market is gonna come back and retest our 38 to our 23 Fibonacci line. That is the analysis for CHFJPY. Do you have any question? Any question, guys? Look, we are expecting, like I said, look, we are expecting to see more candles retesting this amazing area here, and it's gonna retest also our AA line, right? That's one thing that you're gonna learn, how to, when it retests our AA line, and from there, where do you think it's gonna go? Market will take bullish, because that was the market is doing. Does that make sense? And guys, please stop adding indicator, a whole bunch of indicator. This is how your chart look. This is how, sometimes when you guys say, oh, Irvin, can you teach me? This is how your chart look. And you trying to trade like that with a whole rack of stuff. And then I was like, oh my God, how did you read this? Can you try to read this? It's impossible, guys. This is impossible. So make sure also, if you don't know, I am the IT support for the triple arrow system. If you want me to update and upgrade your template, please let me know as well, so I can take a look at it if your settings are correct or not. But I just want you to know that, all right? Because some of your template don't make any sense. All right, let's move on. Let's move on to our next pair here. We are here on GBPNZD. We are here on 4 hours. Pay attention what the market is giving us here. Market is clearly giving us a bullish market, right? Let me do it a different way. Oops. And that's it. We made that box in there. So now look at what the market is giving us. Market is giving us a bullish market. That's what it's giving us. Exactly. Now, what I'm expecting to see this week here, guys, I'm expecting to see a small retracement retesting R50 Fibonacci line. Let me grab the right tool. Look at here, retesting our 50 Fibonacci line, then it's gonna do a small pullback, retesting our 38.2 to our 23, meet that, and for that point on, the market will continue bullish. Do you have any question, guys? Any question? Did this make sense or not? Because it's super simple, guys. Don't complicate it. Do not complicate it. You know what? You know the amazing thing? I was teaching. I was doing a one-on-one private with 3 of you guys, and my daughter opened the door. You know, she's only 6 years old, and when I'm live. There's nothing I can hide. You know, it's real time, real time. So she opened the door, and then so I told the guy, hey guys, you want me to see? Look, my daughter don't even know how to read and write, but she know how to do this stuff. So I kind of like show her. I was like, okay, what is this candles doing here? What does this candle represent? And she was like, oh, daddy, that's a bullish market. What about here? Oh, that's a bearish market. And then, you know, I start moving everything, and then she did it. Look, she don't even know how to read and write, dude. And this, that's what I'm saying. Don't overcomplicate your stuff. This stuff is super simple only if you want to make it simple. You want to make your life harder, then that's what it's gonna be. All right, so what do we have here on AUD Canadian dollar? We are looking in this particular area for this week. We are looking for another pullback triple arrow formation in this particular area. Come back on Wednesday and you will be like, wow, Irvin, how did you know the triple arrow was gonna form here? So we're gonna do a triple arrow formation, right? That's what we're looking in this particular area here. So now what I'm expecting to see here, guys, is like I say, you know, it's gonna give us a market retesting our 61.8 Fibonacci line mid there, and then it's gonna come back and retest our 78 Fibonacci line. Then the market will come back down, and then we're gonna come back on Wednesday, and I will tell you most likely what it's gonna do from there, which is still gonna go back up. All right. So we're looking for maybe a W formation in that particular area. You guys have any question on that? It makes sense or not? Right. All right. Let me answer some of your questions, because I'm here trying to help you out one way or another. All right. So thank you guys for participating and being active. You know, like I say, you know, all I'm asking you is the only way I can help you is only if you comment below. Tell us what video you want us to make, because I don't know how else I can help you. Whatever you tell me, Irvin, can you do this? I will be more than happy to do so. And all I ask as a reward back is to give us a thumbs up, so it can help the algorithm of the YouTube videos. All right, so that's all I'm asking for. All right, so let's move on forward. Let's go to our next pair. Let's go to GBP Canadian dollar. This is an amazing one for this week. What I'm expecting to see here, guys, is pay full attention. So in this particular area here, I'm looking for a retracement, a continuation of the trend, retesting our 38.2 Fibonacci line. From that point on, most likely come back market is gonna do a small pullback, retesting our 50 Fibonacci. Then it will take back down because the trend here is a bearish trend. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. Come back on Wednesday at 6 p.m. Eastern time, where I'm gonna be going over with this strategy with you over and over again. And make sure you check yesterday's video that I made, guys. It's on the description of this video. I'm gonna pin the comment as well so you can read it and go over. Okay, that will help you a lot. So, and share this link. Don't be afraid. You know, share with all the social media. Do whatever you have to do. Let's change the world one way or another. All right, so let's go to our next pair. I already analyzed this pair, guys. I already did the goal, which I was telling you the market is gonna do a small pullback coming down, and then it's gonna do a small retracement, and then it's gonna continue down. So the market here is a bearish market. All right, that is on goal. And then I already do the analysis for Euro NZD, where I told you the market is gonna continue up, retesting our mid 78.6 Fibonacci line before the market takes down. I also gave you a USD CHF in 1 hour, where I told you the market is still gonna retest our 50 Fibonacci line, then the market will come back and retest our 78.6 Fibonacci line. I also gave you on Euro NZD, where I told you the market is doing a bullish market. I forgot to close this on Friday, so where the market is gonna come back, it's gonna give you a continuation of the market, retesting our 50 Fibonacci line. That's gonna do a small pullback, retesting our 38.2 Fibonacci line. Then the market will continue up as bullish market. So this week I'm expecting to see a bullish market for Euro NZD. All right, but last week was a bearish market. I told you it was bearish. It was bearish. It is bearish, and now it's time for the market to take off. All right, so hopefully all this makes sense, guys. I don't know if you guys have any question. Please, if you have any question, drop it below, because that is the only way that I can help you. All right, let me know if you have any question. If you don't have any question, guess what I'm gonna do next? Guess what I'm gonna do next? Like I always say, if you don't have any question, guess what I'm gonna do?